In this video, I will show you how to calculate profit margin with a simple formula in Excel. Open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. In the first row, label the columns as follows. Enter the wholesale price of your product. For example, let's say it's $10.99. Enter the retail price. For this example, we'll use $20.49. Now we need to calculate the profit. In the profit cell, type =, C2 minus B2, retail price minus wholesale price, and press Enter. This formula subtracts the wholesale price from the retail price. Next, we'll calculate the profit margin. In the profit margin cell, type =, D2 divided by C2, profit divided by retail price. Then press Enter. This divides the profit by the retail price. To make this more readable, we need to format it as a percentage. Select cell E2, go to the Home tab, and click on the percentage icon in the toolbar. You can also increase the decimal places for more accuracy by clicking on the Increase Decimal button. With our current data, if we change the retail price in cell C2 to $30, Excel will automatically update the profit and profit margin. And that's it! You've successfully calculated the profit margin in Excel.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.